This is Lakshmi. Today I am going to explain you about a few functions, string functions like replace, replicate, reverse, and like some of the string functions. For this, first of all, replace function. This replace function, what does it do? Means it replaces the this is the string which we have passed, and this is the one which we have to replace the string, and this is the string which it should be replaced. So if I first of all, this if and this is the example for replace function. This is a string in which the is replaced with the and. So this is the output what we have got. This is an example for replace function. This is how a replace function works. Means this is the string which is going to be like used to replace the variable. This is what the function it is going to what the string it is going to replace with which it is going to replace. This is the simple replace function example. For that I have a table like employee full name. In this I have an email ID. For that @ is replaced with, see, we can see this here how I have passed. This is the replace email. This is the email column which is passed here with @ is replaced with the percentage. See, this is how we will get the replace function is worked. Okay, this is how the replace function has work. And the replicate, this replicate means it repeats actually. So this is select how many times it is passed, that many times this replicate function will work. See, ABC, this is a string and this string is repeated 2 times. This is how many times it is going to replicate. This is how this replicate function works, that it repeats the string value at the specified number of times which is passed as an argument. If we pass here like 4 times, this replicate function will execute and it will show this 4 times it is repeated. This is a replicate function. And the next thing is, the next function is reverse function. Like this is a, like I have a the same first name, first name, full name table, and from that I have given this reverse as a first name. See, this is the first name we got from that particular table, and here it is as a first name. That column is reverse like MARSAM, like MAS. This is how all this reverse function works, that whatever the string it is passed, it reverses the string and gives us output. This is the reverse function. And the next function is space function. This space function means it adds how many spaces we want for that particular string. Okay, like select employee ID. Here I have given like employee first name plus space 3 character space plus last name as full name from that particular string. See, this is how it executes. See, this is the full name. Like wherever we want empty spaces, like that we can give this space function and gives that many character space it is given there. This is how the space function works. In this video I have explained about the simple examples like space, reverse, for functions like replicate, replace. These are the functions which are explained in this video. If you like my video, please subscribe and please you share my videos. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe my Patreon channel.